Nuer people anthropology. 1. Social structure. Kinship. Nuer society is organized around extended families and clans. Kinship ties are crucial, influencing social status, marriage, and community roles. Segmentary lineage system. The Nuer have a segmentary lineage system, where clans and lineages form hierarchical social structures. Larger clans subdivide into smaller lineages, which can further subdivide. 2. Economy and livelihood. Pastoralism. The Nuer are primarily cattle herders. Cattle hold significant economic, social, and cultural value. They are central to social identity and are used in various rites and ceremonies. Agriculture alongside pastoralism. The Nuer practice subsistence agriculture, cultivating crops like millet and maize. 3. Religion and beliefs. Spiritual beliefs. The Nuer believe in a high god, Quoth, who is associated with the sky and rain. They also believe in spirits that inhabit natural elements. Rituals and ceremonies. Cattle sacrifice and other rituals are performed to communicate with spirits and ancestors. These rituals play a vital role in maintaining social harmony and addressing misfortunes. For political organization. Decentralized system. The Nuer lack a centralized political authority. Leadership is based on kinship ties and personal influence rather than formal political structures. Conflict and warfare, feuding and cattle raids are common, often related to disputes over resources or honor. Despite this, the Nuer have mechanisms for conflict resolution, including compensation and mediation by elders. 5. Cultural practices. Initiation rites. The Nuer have elaborate initiation rites for boys and girls, marking their transition to adulthood. Marriage. Marriages are arranged with consideration of kinship ties and alliances. Bride wealth, usually in the form of cattle, is a significant aspect of marriage transactions. 6. Adaptation and change. Modern influences. The Nuer have been impacted by modern political, economic, and social changes, including conflicts, displacement, and globalization. Despite these changes, they strive to maintain their cultural identity and practices.